Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, students. Welcome back to Miss Desi's channel. How are you today? I hope all of you are fine and still interested to learning mathematics. Okay, do you remember in the first video Miss Desi already explained about the average speed in lesson 4 chapter 7, and all of you have done the exercise very well. And today we will continue on the next lesson, and this is the last lesson in chapter 7. We are going to learn about word problem. Now please prepare your textbook and open your textbook page 200. Are you ready for study? Okay, let's enjoy the study and please pay attention. Okay, before Miss Daisy will explain about the word problem, Miss Daisy want to ask, do you still remember the formula for finding average speed? Yeah, the formula to finding the average speed is the total distance traveled divided by the total time taken. Or we can write into triangle like this. This distance, speed, and time. Okay, there are several examples of word problems that you can read in your book. Miss Daisy will explain two examples problems. The first, let's look at page 200, number 1. Let's see number 1. Cahya and Cipta were standing some distance apart. Cahya rolled the ball Cipta. It traveled at a speed of 30 centimeters per second to reach Cipta in 15 seconds. Cipta then rolled the ball back to Cahya. It reached Cahya in 10 seconds. Find the speed of the ball as it traveled from Cipta to Cahya. Okay, first we have to find the distance between Cahya and Cipta. As we know, the way to find the distance is speed times time. The distance between Cahya and Cipta. The speed is 30 centimeters per second, and the time is 15 seconds. 30 times 15 is 450 centimeters. Okay, we get the distance. After that, we can find the speed of ball as it rolled from Cipta to Cahya. As we know, the way to find speed is the distance divided by time. Okay, the distance is 450 divided by the time is 10 seconds. 450 divided by 10 is 45 centimeters per second. Okay, do you understand? Easy, right? So the speed of the ball as it traveled from Cipta to Cahya was 45 centimeters per second. Okay, that was an example of the first problem. If you have questions, please comment or you can ask me via WhatsApp chat. Okay, next to the example of the second problem. Okay, for the second example, please open your book, page 201. Mr. Santoso was traveling from village X to village Y. He took 2 hours to drive 1/4 of the journey. he drove the remaining 270 kilometers in 3 hours. The question is A. Find the total distance that Mr. Santoso drove. B. Find the average speed for the whole journey. Okay, this is the village X. This is the village Y. We can draw this red line as the total distance of the journey from village X to village Y. Here mentioned he took 2 hours to drive 1/4 of the journey. So we can divide the total distance of the journey into 4 units or 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here mentioned that he took 2 hours to drive 1/4 of the journey. 2 hours to drive 1/4, one of 4 units of the journey. But we don't know what the distance is. Okay. Then he drove the remaining 270 kilometers in 3 hours. So the remaining distance is 270 kilometers in 3 hours. From here until here 3 hours. Okay. The questions of part A. Find the total distance that Mr. Santoso drove. Okay, the total distance that Mr. Santoso drove. If 3 units are 270 kilometers, then 1 unit is 270 divided by 3. 270 divided by 3 equals 90 kilometers. Yeah. So 1 unit is 90 kilometers. Okay, if 1 unit is 90 kilometers, then 4 units is 4 times 90 kilometers. 4 times 90 kilometers equals 360 kilometers. Easy, right? Do you understand, guys? Okay, we have solved the first problem. Next to the questions part B. Find the average speed for the whole journey. Okay, find the average speed for the whole journey. As we know, the way to find the average speed is the total distance traveled divided by the total time taken. Okay, we know that the total distance traveled is 360 kilometers, and the total time taken is 2 hours plus 3 hours is 5 hours. 360 kilometers divided by 5 hours is 72 kilometers per hour. So the average speed for the whole journey was 72 kilometers per hour. Okay. Okay guys, do you understand? If you have questions, you can ask me in personal chat or you can comment. If you understand, now please do number 2 and number 4, page 200 and 202. And don't forget, take a photo of your work and send your photo to my WhatsApp chat, or you can upload your photo in Google Classroom. Okay? Okay, enough for now. Thanks for your attention. Don't forget to pray. Happy fasting. Goodbye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.